Hi everyone, welcome to another Tooltip Tuesday. Today I'm going to go through our warm-up app that's located on both the Toolroom app and our machine main control userface. The warm-up app is actually called Launchpad, and with these two locations they actually default to two different programs to run for warm-up. So the first one can be found in this utilities box there, Launchpad. We open that, it comes up with a little dialog box there for inputs, and this box is the same between both locations. It allows you to put in a start time and date, and it shows you here the file to launch, the warm-up part program that we have. It actually just cycles through all the motors at a constant speed to try and warm up the machine with coolant on, and most people run that for 30 to 45 minutes depending on the environment, to bring the machine up to temperature. Some people put it on in, say, a lunch break to keep the machine warm while they're going to have lunch before they come back, and they come back to a warm machine. You can set the warning time before there's a little pop-up that comes up saying that it's about to start. You can change that time there. Also the X offset, which allows you to give that X offset depending on what's in the collet and what sort of setup you've got on your machine. If you want it to start at a set time, you set your time there and you click start. Otherwise you can just click start now and off it'll go. The other location there is in Toolroom. There's that little rocket. We click that, comes up with the same window, with all the same sort of input parameters, start now, start, etc. But this time your file to launch will be the tool file that's loaded in Toolroom, which is kind of preferred, I guess, if you're going to start grinding this tool, for instance. It'll run all the motors and axes according to this tool file, which means it'll get to the optimum temperature for the tool, not so much for the motors. So that's all I have for you today. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.